Guys, a little update on this bomber, QS 273 80 APT 96 600 controller. Having issues with software on that part. But that's not what this video is about today. This video is about these right here. Check these out. I don't know how much tighter of a fit you can get than that. They are super thick, heavy duty, super robust mounts. QS, you know, the MQCon and Seiko, I think that's how you pronounce it, that sell these QS motors and these displays, these universal displays. These don't come with any type of mount to your handlebar or anything, unless you have a mount that's already there. So I had codswallop. I'll post a link to his website and his YouTube channel for you, down below. But you can see here, they come up to the back, and they're just as thick all the way up as they are on the back, and then they clamp down on the handlebars, super tight fit. They do expand, so you can put them on fatter handlebars, and they do clamp down tighter for smaller handlebars, which is great. And so I asked for something that was super robust and strong in case the bike falls, crashes, or whatever. The display is going to break before the mounts do. I can tell you that right now, how thick and robust these are. They're amazing. You can, and with how much spacing right here you have right here, you can do different logos if you wanted to. And these mounts could also be used for different displays. The whole pattern up top, you just have to talk to them and have them do the whole pattern different. They can be for, you know, whatever. Just kind of a universal mount for a universal one, but it fits. It got the display nice up and flush how I wanted it. Puts it up real nice. So yeah, I'm super impressed with these. And these got little, I don't have it tied down yet, but they got little pass-throughs for zip ties, so you can tie down your cables or any other cables that you want to clean up and run, you know, across and down and whatnot. So it's kind of where I'm at with this one. But yeah, I'll go ahead and post a link for his website, because he is the one that actually built this right here. This is my logo for it. But this is, this is the back 2000 adapter, and it goes underneath like that. And since my frame is smaller than this one, you can see that this one goes narrower. My frame goes to the just to the edge of the flat spot. But it would sit like this. I'm excited to mount that on my bike. So that's another upgrade that's going to be coming to my bike. So, yay!